I suck at fashion. I do. I think it comes from being a yard sale kid. That's where I got all my clothes, either there or Kmart. I don't have the fashion gene, and I never learned how to do fashion. So therefore, I rely on companies like Stitchfix and Wantable to pick out clothes for me, because I suck at it on my own. So today we are going to do a Wantable versus Stitch Fix Smackdown. We're going to see which service is better, which one styled me better, but because I am fashion impaired, I'm gonna rely on you to help me with that. So if you wanna know more about these subscription boxes and how they style a person like me, hang tight. We are getting into that right now. Oh my gosh, so I am still in my comfy clothes because I went to go get my oil change this morning, 10:30 appointment. I was there for 4 hours. 4 hours for an oil change. So I was like, you know what? I'm just getting on in my locally crafted shirt and I am going to just film this video because I'm going to be changing anyway. We usually start with Stitch Fix, so let's switch it up and let's start with Wantable. Now, if you've never done one of these fashion subscriptions before, they are a little bit more expensive than what you would get in the store. I expect to be paying about $10 more per garment than I would in a store. It's just the way that these things are. I know that that's a big complaint that a lot of you have when I do these. They're like, but I could just find these at my local Nordstrom rack for cheaper. And I get it. But I can't go into one of those stores and pick out clothing because it just never goes well. Either I pick out something and I come home and my husband's like, Jen, that's hideous, or I just can't find anything that I like. So with Wantable, it does say styled for Jennifer, which I think that's so cute. They printed me a custom sticker that I am going to rip, unfortunately. And let's see how it comes. So this says you deserve to feel beautiful. And even though I know they're not personally like addressing this to me, it is nice to get these cute little messages. And inside there is a list of all of the items that they sent, and then there's a note from my stylist that I will read in a little bit. Essentially, the stylist styles you, and then you keep what you like, you send back what you don't like, and there is a $20 styling fee. I think it's the same for both services, and that goes toward a piece that you get in your box. So you really want to make sure you keep something or else you lose your 20 bucks. And the other kicker, this is what they get me on sometimes, is that they give you a discount if you keep everything in the box. So that's another factor to think about as we're doing this. So I'm going to put the return ship bag here, and the first thing I see is some jewelry. And every time Wantable has sent me jewelry, I have loved it. So let's see what they sent me. Oh, these are cute. So this is a pair of earrings, and they are gold. I'm going to take them out of here so you can see them a little bit better. Don't tell my dentist. Here are the earrings. Hopefully you can see them. That's the design on the side, and they are really cute. Let's see how much they cost. So they are $24. I feel like maybe a little bit overpriced by maybe like $5, but not too terribly bad. I am going to try these on and we will see. All right, this is the first top. And oh gosh, I guess you're supposed to wear something underneath this because this is gonna show some boobage. That's a booby shirt. I would imagine. See, I'm not good at layering. I'm not good at layering my clothes, so I wouldn't know what to wear underneath this. This is a problem, but I will try this on in just a minute. I'm going to go through the whole box and then I'll do the try on. With Wantable, you do have an opportunity to go through a feed of the clothing that they have and pick some things that you like. And this is something that I had put in as a request. So this is just a plain standard t-shirt because this is all I know how to wear. It's a little bit wider. I thought it would be more of like a tighter fit cut, but I've been wearing a little bit more looser fit cut anyway, so I might really enjoy this. And then there is a pair of jeans. I don't think I need another pair of jeans right now. I have so many pairs of jeans. They have a rip in them. I definitely don't need any more ripped jeans. Because this is the thing, when I wear ripped jeans, I know my toe is going to go through them and make the rip bigger. So I always avoid them in my closet. I'm much more likely to pick a jean that does not have rips in them, even if they're cute. But we will try them on and see how they fit because I like to provide that feedback for my stylist anyway. They are cute. This is the other thing. I don't know how to style colored pants. So whenever I buy colored pants or my husband buys me colored pants, I never wear them because I don't know what matches with them. I have issues, okay? I have issues, but we are gonna try them on. We're gonna try them on and see how they go. They are high rise, which I know is more in and trendy right now. So we will see. Okay, so we have a blue sweater. Is this gonna look cute on me? I don't know. I'm not so sure about this one. And then there is a dark green sweater. This one feels especially warm. Very, very warm. Oh, it's got like a turtleneck situation. This feels very soft. I like the stretch on it. It just feels really good. Like compared to this one feels like heavier and it's a little less stretchy, where this one feels, well, the actual weight is about the same, but this one just feels a little bit, I don't know, like it's got a little more comfort to it. So that is everything that came in my box. Now, if I choose to keep everything, I get a $76.20 discount, which brings me to a total of $301.89 for this whole box. I have a feeling that I'm not going to keep everything, but we will see. Let me change. I will be right back. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Hopefully you can hear me okay. I just realized my mic is way over here. So hopefully you can hear me okay. This does not match, first of all. I don't like the sweater. I don't like this. It's soft, but I don't like, this is too much for me. This is too much. And the pants, I know I'm never gonna wear these. Like never, it's not gonna happen. I'm never going to wear these. So, yeah. Maybe it's the pairing. Maybe I'm missing something. You'll have to let me know. But as of now, this is a big old no. This one I'm a little more comfortable in. But it's like I'm not dying over it, you know? I'm trying to project my voice toward my microphone. I'm not dying over it. Like, the jeans are so comfortable. They feel amazing. But I like the rise on it. It's like a nice mid-rise. They look cute on my butt, but I really just don't need jeans right now. I have too many pairs of jeans. I don't need them. But if I was going to keep jeans, I would probably keep these. I don't know. Like, it's like, the distressing is random, you know? Like, you've got this huge rip here and these little dots here and everything else is pristine. You know? Like, I feel like it's like fakely distressed. It's like, what happened here? Why did this happen? I have no idea. They almost look like bullet holes or something. ORV. Bullet holes.
ORV. Bullet holes.
This t-shirt, though it may be soft, is $46. I don't know if I can justify that. I don't think it's cute enough. I just don't. So let us move on. Whee! All right, here is, see, I don't like this either. It's just so bland, like it's just bland looking. Like it's just like, am I gonna end up with nothing that I like? This is gonna be a problem. I mean, it's fine, but how much is this one? $77! No! Okay, all right. I think we have the winner. I think it's, I mean, I would wear a different bra with it. But, like, I like this. I thought it was going to be more booby-y than it actually is. Like, it's much less booby-y. Like, this is cute. Do you agree? I think this is cute. I think this is it. I found the winner. Woohoo! Let me go ahead and try on the earrings with it, because I think I might keep the earrings too. I know I'm lower down in my chair. I brought my camera up a little bit. Okay. I do like the earrings. The backs are staying on. Okay, you know what I'm going to do? I definitely like this shirt. This is going to be the winner. How much is this one? Okay, this is 59. I can see that at least. Like if I saw this at a store, I would think it would be like maybe 45, something like that. Let me try on the red pants with it, just to be fair to the red pants, because that was a horrible pairing earlier. So that looks way cuter, but you'll have to tell me what you think. Like, I don't think I'm ever gonna reach for these pants. Like ever. I think this is definitely a better pairing, but I'm never gonna wear them, I don't think. I don't think it's gonna happen. Needless to say, I am a little bit disappointed with my Wantable for this season. I think that definitely I'm happy to have this shirt. I'm excited about it. Like, it actually brings me joy. The earrings, I'm still on the fence about. Do you think I should keep these, or are they just too ordinary? I don't know. Maybe. I'm still a maybe on that. So definitely not keeping the whole box, but I do have something that'll help, you know, with the styling fee to go towards. So that's good. I am like sweating in this. Oh my gosh. Instead of like sitting up in my chair, let me bring the camera down. Hold on a second. Are you ready to see if Stitch Fix did better? Let us see. Ugh. Don't let me down, Stitch Fix. Don't let me down, down, down. All right, so with Stitch Fix, you get an envelope like this that has all of the information about the items and the pricing. So it looks like I got a pair of shoes in my Stitch Fix. Ooh, these are cute. I don't own anything quite like this, so hopefully they fit me nicely. I live in Maryland, so we do get snow here, so I think this will be good for the snow. We got a nice tread on the bottom, so we will try those on. Very excited about those. One of the features of Stitch Fix is that you do get a chance to go on and see what your stylist is thinking about sending you, and then you can pick the ones you want to try and then reject ones that you don't. So this next one was something that I wanted to try because I really loved the flannel that they sent a while back. So this is the closest thing they had to that, and it's like a, you know, it's more, I mean, I guess it's flannel-y looking sort of, but it's very soft, and I'm really looking forward to trying this on because I freaking love that flannel. And then there's a few sweaters in here. So we've got this one. Very cute. It feels soft. It's got some nice stretch to it. And I like that it's not obnoxious looking, so that's good. This one is a little louder. Oh, yeah, I remember this. This is something that she had decided she wanted to pick out for me. It's like a jackety thing. It's like a little throw. So if you know you're going to be somewhere cold, you go into the movie theater, or, you know, going out to where you know it's going to be a little chilly, you kind of throw this on over top so that you know, it can be kind of cute, but also not freezing your butt off. I like that this is so soft and cozy here, and it's got this lining. Does it have pockets? No pockets. Come on. Why doesn't it have pockets? Don't fashion designers know that we love pockets? And then finally, there's a red, oh my gosh, it's a dress. Oh yeah, she picked this one out for me too. Y'all know I don't really wear dresses, but the last time I got a jumper, y'all loved it, so I figured I would try this. Go out of my comfort zone and try this little dressy thing. We will see. So, pause. Be right back. You know, it's so funny. As I went off camera, I was like hearing Matthew Lillard's voice in my head going, "I'll be right back.
I'll be right back."
And it's like, no, it's not Halloween season. All right, so here's what we got. I just put the jeans back on from Wantable because the bottoms I had on before was sweatpants. But let me, oh wait, I forgot to pull the camera back up. Goodness gracious. Come on, Jen. And whoop. So now let us look and see. I like this a lot. I think that it is super cute. Let me show you the shoes. Are these adorable or what? I love them so much. They're so cute. What? They're adorable. I like this whole thing, even though I'm going to wear this without rips. But I love this. It's so soft and cozy and comfy, and it's very me. Okay, this is cozy and comfy too. I think I have this in dark green. I think that this is just a brown version of one I already have, but I really like this. It feels good. It's a good length. It's comfy. It's cozy. Yes! I know this doesn't exactly match, but it doesn't match at all. Right? This doesn't match, right? But it is very cute. And it fits good. And it's cozy. How much is it? Okay, it looks like it's $58. Oh my gosh. I should probably check and see how much this stuff is before I get too attached to it. I think it's 50. I'm going to think about this one. I don't know if I need this, but I'm going to think about it. All right, I've got the dress. Oh, my friend, I don't, It's very, I'm going to go meet the president. And yeah, I'm not a fan. No, I don't like the neck. I feel like an old lady. This doesn't look like date night to me. It looks like professional, and I am not that. So the dress is definitely going to be no, like it's choky. That's not cute. Nope, this is going to be a big no. I'm taking this off because it's very uncomfortable. And it's scratchy. Like, it feels terrible. It doesn't feel good on the skin. Like, it feels itchy. Like, All right. I put this shirt back on because this is definitely my favorite. I think this shirt gets the my favorite piece of the video award. I love this. This feels good. It looks like me. It's not too scary, but it's not boring, at least in my opinion. Let's do a little bit of comparison. So the total cost of the Wantable was $301.89 with the discount. Without the discount, it's $381. They sent over 7 different things. Now the Stitch Fix is $248.74, or the subtotal without the discount is $273.74. And they sent over 5 things. So even though there's a $50 difference there, there's also 1 extra item in the Wantable. Like I mentioned, the only thing I'm definitely keeping is this shirt. I did notice as I was wearing it more that it was riding up here the more I moved my arms, which is not my favorite thing. So honestly, if I didn't pay the styling fee, I might return this too. I might wear this just a little bit more and see if I can stand that, because it's really like not fun to have it keep coming up on my body, and I might just end up keeping the earrings. Also, I would love to know what you think. For Stitch Fix, I'm definitely keeping this. I am definitely keeping the brown sweater, and I am definitely keeping the shoes. They feel like they are of decent quality. They don't feel cheap in any way. I'm definitely not keeping the dress. Uncomfortable, not cute. Yeah, that's what it comes down to. Mostly the neck and the scratchiness, and it's just not my style at all. I think it looks real frumpy on me, to be honest. This jackety thing, I'm gonna try it on with some other things and see if I like it more. I'm not sure. I'm really on the fence. This is another thing I need your advice on. But overall, I would say once again, Stitch Fix has beaten out Wantable as far as getting my style closer, as far as giving me things that I enjoy wearing, that bring me joy, that I need. And I think part of it is I did read the note from my stylist over at Wantable, and a lot of the things that I said I liked that they said that they had in their stock or whatever, they didn't have. So she had to work with probably a limited stock of things, which is not her fault if that's the case. But unfortunately, it really missed the mark for me this time. So Ashley, if you're watching this, you won again. Ashley's my stylist over at Stitch Fix. And at this point, my friend, it is your turn in the collective brain of makeup awesomeness, where we help each other not to buy crap. And it's also, I guess, the collective brain of fashion awesomeness. I would love to know what you think about the stuff that I tried on today. Do you think I did right? Do you think I picked correctly? Or would you have chosen different things? I would love to know your thoughts down in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you would like to hang out just a little bit longer, YouTube should be recommending a couple videos for you right over here to watch, including one I picked out for you special. That's the one on the bottom. YouTube picked the top one. But if you do have to go, I totally get it. It is no problem at all. Thank you for hanging out as long as you did. And mad love to you. I will see you in a video very, very soon. Bye.